Hello.
Hi, hi. I wonder what that could be a notification for.
There we go. Here we go. Da 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 da. There we go.
Here we go.
Hello, Selton XD. What's going on? Oh, okay. Saved. So just like Mario, I bet they fired Martin for you. Yeah, you got me.
This is now the voice of Mario now. Confirmed.
Dude, ever since I was little, I loved stomping Koopas. What's a Bowser Strike? Let's another project or just a level or something? It's part of course 11 in this game. This game is Return to Yoshi's Island. You have to say Koopa like it's a racial slur, that's how he says it. Ah, fuck, I exported the toe of the wing cap. That reminds me, oh god, you're gonna love this biomech. Let me show you in a second. As soon as I removed the issue I just introduced on accident. What did I do? Oh. Hello, Dawn. How's progress? Pretty well.
Hi, John.
Alright, let me show you what we've been working on. Dude, this level is starting to look pretty good. So yeah, I was working on Bowser's office here. You're gonna go here and there's gonna be a counter and there's gonna be a Shy Guy, and when you go here the Shy Guy says, oh, you're trying to visit Bowser, go into the waiting seats and wait forever because he doesn't take appointments or something like that. And then this will be the elevator, there will be a door here that opens and closes when you come by. And it will carry you upwards.
Do I gotta make a new Shy Guy animation too?
Yeah, he's gonna need something.
Maybe we can give him a little suit and tie.
Yeah, that would be fitting. But no, what I really wanted to show you guys. We have once again done a little bit of work on an old level. This one here. What do you think, Biomech? Is it much better now? I so much prefer this over the previous one. It like looks so much more vast. It looks less like you're caged in an old thing. I don't have the old one in mind. What did you change? So in the old one, the whole cloud ocean, it was moving a lot faster and it looked a lot smaller. It looked like this was around the size of our battlefield. Now it like looks near infinite. And the mountains on the sides, I removed them and instead have like a little bit of a gradient that goes brighter. And the mobile is further down, so you can see the stars hung up in the sky. So it just looks a lot more infinite, you know what I mean?
This little mini level is very aesthetically pleasing.
We also have an options menu now. Look at this. Yeah, the cloud change is so much better. You guys like the options menu? Do not turn interlacing off. It's not pleasant to not to have interlacing on. Oh my god. Ah! But this increases frame rate by like 25%. What percentage is done? 75 maybe? Earthquake 64, yep. This one doesn't do anything yet. Unlimited FPS, pretty obvious. Somehow limited FPS looks more shaky than interlacing being on. Oh god. Next year to your birthday? No, that's unlikely. Maybe in 2 years to your birthday. But even then, I think I like to release my games around September. Just because that's the time where it's like least likely Nintendo's gonna take them down. It makes it run at 240i, not 480. Your birthday is in like 4 days. Leela becoming 17. Insane. What are you gonna do for your birthday? Roblox e-date, dude, you can finally join the Roblox e-dating website. Let's go. Hello, Archie. Quaternion cake. Is that any good? Any OST wishes for today? I'm not listening to the Power Rangers OST, I'm very sorry. I didn't let me to open OBS. How does the Roblox editing website fit into their child labor theme? I bet it was programmed by children. That's why it's 17 plus, because a 17-year-old programmed it. Otherwise it would be 18 plus. No, we need like full game OSTs done, not just a single song. Dude, it's so fucked up. Why do we have a 17 plus dating website? Who wants to put 17-year-olds with actual adults together? Who's your target audience here? Would not sound good? Oh yeah, so 17 plus sounds so much better. But actually, yeah, I see what you mean. 18 plus sounds like it's a hookup thing. Hello, Velza. You already know the people going there are not gonna be 17. They're gonna be like 13, 14. I don't know Darksiders. I wanna know Steel that I know. Getting rejected down there as a cock blocks. Just saw a new video, very nice. Serious America box colors are mismatched. I don't want to play this game anymore. The colors are mismatched? Wait, what's that mean? How are the colors mismatched? I'm thinking if the floating polynomial thing it would work at all with fixed points. The implementation seemed to rely on the floating point format. I mean, the math is a lot faster in floating point formats, because if you do it in fixed point formats, doing a multiplication is so much slower. And also you can't do the square root thing. So unless you have like a completely different architecture where integer multiplication is faster, no. No shot. On the N64, the answer is definitely no. And yeah, our output is floating point anyway, so it doesn't really make a difference. Oh, for the DS. Do you have a square root instruction on the DS? How do you do square roots on the DS? It's 120 cycles. That is an issue. Yeah, that's awful. Damn. Well, I mean, 120, losing 120 cycles is not a big deal on the N64, as long as you don't lose any memory bandwidth.
It don't matter what you're doing, cause we do laps. That's new facts. Okay, calm down if you're scared. Run it down, we blow it up in that air. Bombs right there. On top of all of these stairs.
It's the C position. It is. How much is this? 380. It's a bit of an inefficient behavior. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but this is gonna work just fine. This should do it. Linear and quadratic interpolation between entries could probably be better for us. And what about linear and piecewise interpolation? I don't know how quick your math is, but piecewise linear interpolation is worth a try. Well, yeah, but you were thinking like piecewise quadratic, I guess, and I was thinking piecewise linear. Does quadratic even make sense in pieces? Like, are you gonna subtract the beginning offset? Like, aren't you gonna have so many like continuous conditions in there? Right, you need the beginning value of the polynomial, the end value of the polynomial. You need the derivative, likely. You need the derivative out. So there's like 4 conditions. You already need a 3rd degree polynomial for that. You basically have like nothing left for accuracy. The load times increase, it's because I turned off the RCVI hack. It's emulator only. I don't want to listen to this music. How about Mario Party 7 OST? Do I already have ideas for the RTY title screen? Do you not remember the demo title screen? I guess I never showed this. I actually haven't seen this myself. How's the level called? Level ending. This is what the title screen looks like right now. Oh, never mind. We have a compiler issue.
Didn't we do like the toy box title screen, or was that only for the file select?
No, this is it.
Yeah. This one. We haven't seen this title screen in so long.
It's been so long since I've been here. I'm surprised it still like works.
It's pretty well intact. The little sticky notes and cardboard cutouts are still really cute.
Yeah, this is really nice looking, I find.
Although I think it could use a bit more brighter colors, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It kind of looks a little bit washed out right now. I think maybe the colors could be a little bit brighter.
Yeah,
Like maybe on the Yoshis, the colors could be a little more saturated.
maybe. I mean, one thing I'm unsure about, one thing that I find a little bit unelegant about this title screen, is that the Yoshis are getting in the way. I don't know if they've ever been here, Leela.
There's a hidden piece of artwork on the box somewhere too. I think it's like on the outside of the box if you remember.
Yeah, I don't know if you can still see it though.
Oh, that was the Yoshi plush I made for you. It was a picture of it.
Oh, yeah, he's hidden far off in the distance. You need to like clip rewards for that.
Yeah.
I think if I fly up, I can see it eventually in the distance. Oh, there it is.
There he is. Oh, and there he goes. And now Plaid Yoshi just sits on his desk.
The camera should pan around the room for a second before zooming to the cardboard. Right, let me see that again. Yeah, I think we need to remove the Yoshis from here. You think this one should just like pan around the room? I don't know if I agree with the pan here.
I don't think you should remove them entirely. Maybe just make them slightly smaller, so they're not.
Should have a full-on child's room model around it. Yeah, honestly, I would like that. I think we should remove the Yoshis out of the cardboard though. We should move the Yoshis somewhere else. Maybe into the room.
Yeah, maybe instead of a cardboard box, we can make it into just a whole bedroom.
Yeah. Let's remove the middle Yoshi. No, I think these Yoshis are a bit too weird.
I quite like them. We should still have them in the room somewhere.
Yeah, we'll have them in the room, but not in the box.
Yeah.
This is gonna be the Kids Mario box. And then I agree with Biobeck's assessment that there should be more around here. Like, there would be a table over there, and the Yoshis could be on the table.
Maybe there's like a little Mario playset.
Yeah. Either way, this is not something we actually want to look into right now.
Can I flex for you, Becca? Is that good enough?
Can you actually see that?
Man, I can't even use all my channel points to flex because we don't stream on Twitch anymore.
RIP.
You're welcome, Becca.
Could put so many deals on this. Yeah. I mean, if someone's willing to implement those. Elements of the Smash 64 intro cutscene room. I'm not decided on that yet. Big houses are overdone. I don't want to see any more in games. Yes, 100%.
I'm just finishing the jump for Wiggler, and I'm gonna send him over once he's done.
All right.
So it goes walk, jump, walk, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Just making sure.
I think the rework for the clouds in the level there has also improved the performance a lot, but I haven't been able to test it yet because the level just crashed on me. Something went wrong with the flying seagulls. Every level is a big house level if you consider that Mario is in your computer and your computer is in your house. True. Dude, I'm actually so much looking forward to the next level that we have planned. Because the next level that I want to do It's gonna be... Where is it? The Wild West Valley. There's gonna be cowboys. You're gonna be catching like villains that are running around. There's gonna be wanted posters. It's gonna be so scenic.
Do I get to make new wanted posters?
You follow like the different cowboys here.
Nice. What kind of cowboys are we having?
I'm not sure yet. We have to think of like a bunch of villains that just show up here.
I mean, like, we've already used the Koopas for Koopa Wave Code.
Dry bones, like Lila says. Dry bones, unironically. There should be a dry bones boss fight of like a dry bones sheriff.
Pistols at dawn with the sheriff.
Yeah.
I like that. I like that a lot.
I also started making a list of like ideas. That I want to implement later. So I'm thinking like a scavenger hunt would work really well on this.
I have a question, Bioback. Did you ever finish the conspiracy theory Yoshi room?
That is something we should have, yes. So there would be like, likely what we would have is there would be 3 villains running around and there's like 3 little boss fights. There's gonna be a scavenger hunt where you have to find signs around the level. It's like there's gonna be a sign that tells you a hint. You go there, you ground pound, you get a new sign, right? Maybe it starts off with a map, like a treasure map. It kind of fits the Wild West theme, I find. And then the last 2 stars are gonna be red coins and the 8-bit pipe. So all the 6 stars are already kind of decided. Why do you have Nemu open?
I see, Bioback.
Because I needed to see this, and I forgot to close it.
Hayes is the only math teacher on the planet that you'll ever need.
That's nice. Yes, Drybots are real. Lachlan Gibson will be so happy. Since cows are called Mumus in the Mario universe, would cowboys be Mumu boys? I mean, technically, yes.
It's too bad we don't have meme review anymore.
That, honestly, yeah, I kinda miss meme reviews.
We don't have any channel points either on YouTube. It's kinda sad.
Yeah,
there's so
that
much
is a
fun.
feature I wish they would bring back.
Like, there's so many features from Twitch that I miss, but it's not enough to go back because I don't miss the ads.
Yeah, I don't want to go back to ad hell.
You know what was really funny? When I went to the library yesterday to go print off some pages, there was a guy on the computer, like, just sitting through an ad before he started listening to Eminem and jamming out in the library. He was just going like... I'm just like, this guy's having the time of his life. Although his music was kind of loud for a place where you're supposed to be quiet. I had like 3 ad blockers and Twitch broke. I don't even use Twitch anymore because it just... I think the ad blocker made it not work anymore.
You might also just not have gotten many ads because you are in Portugal, Lila. Who would want to advertise to Portugal? Yeah, I have uBlock too. I mean, look at this. I got sponsor block, I got adblock plus, I got adblock, I got uBlock, and then I have like another one. Honestly, I think Germany is a socialist country, isn't it? I know a guy who has to pay over 70% in taxes And he doesn't even make that much money in Germany. Yeah, I think I'd buy her back, but I mean, as long as uBlock still works. Dude, I actually theorized the craziest thing that Google should be doing. They should buy random small ad blockers, like the whole company, in secret, and turn them into viruses. And then over time, ad blockers will gain a reputation for being viruses, and people will get rid of their ad blockers. And Google can't push that message because they're big, they control the news. That way they can get rid of all the ad blockers and advertise to so many people. That's illegal. Oh no, they get fined $2 billion. Who cares for Google? Do you know how many times Google got fined like $2 million last year? Or 2 billion? Like, just go to the... Oh shit, I didn't need to close that. Just Google like Google fined and go to the news. $160 million fine, $2 million fine, $32.5 million fine, $32,000 fine. Like, they don't give a fuck. It doesn't matter. Sunrise are already mining crypto using a computer, guaranteed. Yeah. It's like one loose coin and exactly.
Might be tired.
She's like, I don't know, how much money do they make in a day? Yeah, just from like their stock going up, they probably made like $15 billion yesterday. You can find every ad blocker source code and contact the people behind it. No, they don't need to find everyone. They just need to find like a few every now and then, random ones. And then push the news. Then ad blockers are being turned into viruses. That's enough. It's terrorism. They only hit like 2 towers and everyone in America was afraid. New ones were put up though. So, new towers are built, we still have playing regulations. $44 is not enough, it needs to be like 80.
The walk-in hub is done. Alright, I didn't give him an idol because I didn't know what to do for an idol.
Oh no. 167 uncommitted changes. That's just one day of work. I don't know if I made everything work right now. Let me just check. Dude, Kirby J play sound 1 and play sound should be like 1 to fine. Look at this. This is stupid. I need to add that extra define just to save myself some typing work. You cannot throw balls out of the window, unfortunately. Was ist mit Deutschland? Nothing? Why would anything be with Deutschland? I don't know what's going on in Deutschland at all. Oh, I forgot to actually move the object. It's not an elevator door? Okay, Leela, did you really want to summon the half-hour texture picking stream? Alright, Leela, that's on you. You just summoned the half-hour texture picking stream. Any idea for what to show at F3 2024? I don't decide what's shown at F3, or well, I do decide what goes in, but I can't decide like what people submit. Whoops. So that was decent, but a few things still bothering me. Let me do the half-hour texture picking. Alright. You want the model? I'll send you the model. You don't really need the model for anything other than to know the dimensions. Where did I store the elevator door? Elevator shaft? This is not an elevator shaft. Why did I name it that? Does work with the green textures for now? Alright. If you're changing the texture, at least change the animation. LMAO, have you ever taken an animation? Huh? Huh? Oh, nice, lol, lol. Lone 695. I'm just gonna call you lol. Lolo. 1930 elevator. Yeah, it's Bowser, dude. Bowser isn't gonna make sure there's safety regulations into place. Maybe it should open a bit quicker, maybe not. I need to make sure this only plays while the elevator is actually ready. Which is action 0 and action 3. Makes sense. Hello, Contendo. How about we make the OLED break halfway through and you drop into the arena? No? Eh? What arena? Okay, I think you don't really know how the star works. Let me recap what happens. So you can enter Bowser's office anytime you want. And when you enter it during the first or second act, he's just gonna be complaining about losing to Mario, you know, in the second Bowser boss battle. And when you enter it in the third one, then stuff happens. Interesting. Yeah, so if you enter it in the third one, then Bowser's gonna talk about how he's gonna send in the Strike Breaker, and then as soon as you leave the building, that's when everyone's gone. And that's when the boss appears and eats Mario. Is a PP port user? Where is he porting his PP? We have minors in there. Please, do not port your PP. Rotate, but what if instead of an outlet was an infinite staircase and at the bottom are winded minions? Nope. How would you get up there? I mean, it's a funny idea, but it just doesn't make any sense here. You bought an Everdrive thanks to me? You should get the cheap Chinese knockoff. I do not support the Everdrive proper ones, because they don't work on my end. Fuck them.
I paid a lot of money for that one too.
Yeah, and it doesn't work. It's fucking devastating. Is this the correct formula? I literally just made that up on the spot. I don't know if it actually works. Let me think about this. If you have 10 velocity, then you're gonna go 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. That's 30? Let me just type this into Google real quick. That is 30, okay. And 10 multiplied by 12 divided by 4 is 30. Alright. I can literally just make up shit and it will work. I am fucking insane. Otherwise, we do not lower the velocity. Otherwise, we just approach 0. Let's try this. If we move on, please at least make it open like an actual elevator. Oh. Why would you have two geo layouts? Lila, one of them is the collision model. I always have a separate collision model. Steal the star door code. Do you think that programming an object to move slightly to the side is that difficult? Oh my god, so glad I managed to do this without stealing the star door code. Why it not moving? Oh, because I forgot to move it. Hello, CK Def. The answer is no.
Okay, sent you the link, Blair.
Alright.
An animation of Bowser sitting, right?
Yes. Dude, why the fuck is it not moving? What is wrong? It's a separate song? True. I'm actually just gonna move this into a separate register. Variable. Code quality. Yeah, it is elevator music. Oh, that reminds me. We got a new song from Badoop. You totally missed it. It's for the second Bowser level.
Did we hear this one? Did I hear this one already?
Maybe, I'm not sure. This one is composed in a specific way where you can disable two channels and you get an indoors version, and you can enable another channel to get an outdoors version. So it's gonna be very, very atmospheric. Probably causing the issue. It's good, but not Bowsery? It's very Bowsery if you ask me. Is multiplayer supported? Not yet, but it is planned. Okay, it should move up now. Hey, we got an elevator shaft. Let me out. No, there's just an up and down here. We don't need buttons. Are we going to make the Union mission? That's what we're doing right now. Okay, I'll recap it. All the minions gather around Bowser's Plaza and they're on a strike. They're striking against Bowser, and then you enter Bowser's building and you go up to Bowser and Bowser doesn't acknowledge you. Bowser just stands there and is like, man, I hate these guys. Fuck them. I'll send my strike breaker. I need the big guns. And you go outside and the entire strike is gone. And the level music's quiet. And you don't know what's going on. It's very ominous. Maybe we'll have like blowing wind, just like as the only thing. And then, as soon as you walk out, the big oil monster comes and it just eats you and drags you to a different area. Big F case. I guess this also happens on Action 5 when you do not have a B parent. Alright, this should work now. Would be interesting. Well, that's what we're gonna do. You will see this. I'm not gonna make a physical cartridge, because if I do, I will get sued to shit. But I might make a box and an instruction booklet and all that. And I'm probably gonna sell those as merch. And then you can get the cartridge somewhere else, not from me. Is there a way to make the doors open underwater? That's like some of the most confused message I've ever seen. What's that mean? What's happening with the box? I don't know. It's probably just missing some stupid thing. I don't like that they just don't close anymore. And yeah, this is where you're gonna see Bowser from. Those should not be biting you though. But it down. Oh shit! That's an insane idea, Bioback! Why did. Oh my god, actually, yes. There will be a download link in there. We can make it QA scannable. Oh, but what if one link ever gets taken down? Oh, I know why. A domain? Oh, yeah, I should do that. Oh, I see. Well, of course it's possible. I thought you weren't talking about the elevator doors. Can still send a takedown to your domain provider. Yeah, but are they gonna buy my game to like find the URL? It'd be so funny if they bought my game and then took down a reeling website. Biobank is not a programmer, he does some 3D modeling on here. There's actually a bunch of programmers in chat, but most of them don't work on this game. I'm a big hater, but have you seen the AI curates? These actually work. Does it actually work as a QR code? That's insane.
Should I try one?
No.
Okay. They're kind of neat though.
I am actually not an AI hater. Shouldn't be this way around. The Z-axis is fucked, I swear. N64 managed to raise N64 from Michael J. Fox Foundation for Parkinson's Research. Okay. So? Just thought it was cool. Oh no. That is an issue. Upsetting. Maybe keep it like that, sure. Yeah, so the problem with the doors is that they don't actually get the distance from the middle of the doors, they get the distance from the other place. So if we do this, we'll be fine. The other thing is just a collision bug that we need to fix later somewhere else. Yeah, I'm keeping text edge for the text. How about you make the other pointless and that you go through some sort of vent? No. I tend to avoid using AI because sure, some things might be easier, but if you keep using AI for so many things, for some point you're just missing out on learning something yourself. Yes, but people have said the same thing about books like 2000 years ago. It's like, oh, avoid books because they're gonna make you bad at memorization. The question is, the skills that AI lets you skip learning, are those even valuable anymore if AI can do them for you? I think AI is a bit different because now AI is starting to do the things that we humans thought we were uniquely good at. And it's like adding so much futility to human existence. Does that make sense? It's like, why even try if something better can be done without any effort? I am feeling mega progress in Super Base today. Thank you for asking, Elsie. Ooh. That worked. Let's see if we can go back down. It is not letting me back down. But the fact that it relies exclusively on stolen work is dubious and the main reason I hate it. Oh, okay. So if it was trained on non-stolen work, you'd be fine with it? What we're working on today? Bowser's elevator.
I mean, I guess if the artists that have their work that's used in training data and they got compensated for it, it wouldn't be that big of a problem.
Yeah, you say that, but then there's the company asking for people to make CAD models for $3 per model and training the AI on that.
Well, they shouldn't be paying you $3 per model. That's not reasonable.
Oh, okay. Well, I think what's gonna happen, this is my prediction about the future. I'll tell you what the future will be. Big companies will push for AI regulations to ban AI from stuff. You see that already with Disney doing it. Second, they will push for regulations that allow you to just not use AIs that are trained on public data. Then big companies will hire people to make art for them to train the AIs, and then big companies will have an exclusive right or an exclusive ability to use AI to produce quickly. So this will increase a lot of monopolization, which is why I think it's kind of a bad idea to restrict AI like that. People will not be able to get their job, Lena. It just won't happen. Okay, we need to somehow find the distance to x equals 0, I think. And use that to get this proper. Can't copyright AI artwork. You can't do that yet. What about as soon as it's like trained on artists you paid? It's so shitty down it can be practically used. I mean, okay, but it's been advancing so fast. Like a year ago, no one would even consider that. What if in like 2 years it's just better than humans in every way? That's a thing you need to like consider. Companies have been settling for good enough years ago. I remember playing an online game in, I think, 2011, and they just put the game through Google Translate. Well, the crazy part is, if you trained an AI to make things look human, it might end up being better than humans at that. Which, at that point, we're just kind of fucked, you know? Wasn't there... wait. I remember someone AI generating like a little child's crayon drawing and posting it somewhere, and people were like, wow, even this is better than AI art. And it was a literal art AI generated little children's drawing. It was generated to look like a little child drew it. Yeah, that definitely sucks, Bio. Well, regarding AI music, only N64 was using AI music for the entire game, and people liked it. You did not? A lot of people liked it. It was entirely AI generated. All of it. So we did not go down here, did we? How come? Oh, this is why. I hope Badoob like... I don't think Badoob wants to compose a 45-minute album. Oh yeah, let's see. I mean, just like compare to how good it is now to how good it was 2 years ago. You give it another 2 years, it's gonna have like it's such a big leap again. Especially now that so much is being invested into it. It's gonna be pretty crazy. Oh yeah, I changed Mario's bounciness a little bit. You see that? How he squishes now? You guys like it better than before? Why did it open so early? They opened too soon now. I must have fucked up something. Fix his shadows. I don't think that's possible without a lot of extra lag. But we can look into that at some point. Do you think the camera should be fixed during the elevator so you can't see through walls? The camera should have sphere collision so you can't see through walls. That's the planned feature. How is this computing? Oh. This is why. Yes, not a random, I am. Please just clear frame before an MU. Never. You think AI could ever replace coders? Yes. Maybe in like 15 years. Wait, what? This was supposed to move the elevator up and then let me go down. Does it stop doing that as soon as I get off? No, it really shouldn't. It should just move up. What is going on? Apparently BTCM and both the collision and non-collision cameras sucked in the same spots, so including that being in a tight space could unload the rest of the level for a better experience. Yeah? Honestly, the solution is to just not make tight spaces. If you look at this level here, like the elevator shaft here, I had to extend it a lot so that it doesn't suck while kicking up here. Same here. I think that is the only good solution. The elevator is like a special case. We might have just a fixed camera here. Yeah, I think so too, Sonic. I think it is entirely existential. If the one thing that you as a human are good at can just be done by something else, doesn't it feel futile to like learn a skill, to have a passion? I think people have an innate desire to be good or like useful at something, and you just lose that. I mean, you already lose that a lot with globalization because now there's so much competition. There's so many new people joining the Discord. I put a link in the newest video to the Discord. Well, you could have drones for that, Josiah. I think it's a bit silly to assume that will never happen. You like BTCM? That's good. I only got like 8 or 9 stars in it. Did I already forget what the issue was? Right, the thing is not moving up as soon as I get off. Why would it do that? Let's just print the action states, see what happens. Did you not enjoy it? I mean, I don't think there was anything too bad about it. I just really wasn't into it. That's good, Beta. I think 2 or 3 you're entitled to that as a moderator. The action state is free. Okay, so action state is free. But it just doesn't move. Oh, I see. Even though that's what I do but better, there's already thousands of people who already do that. I do but better. For me it's about self-improvement. Yeah, that is a fair way of looking at it. But I mean, even if there are people that do it better than you doing it is still useful in some way, right? If the AI can just do it for free, then it will no longer be useful, because it can already just be done. The door's no longer open. No. C++ is not bad at all, what? C++ is easy than normal C. It just has a few more functions that you can literally just ignore if you want to program C++. Free. Getting a job in AI development is not easy. It's very complicated to make AIs. Case sus? Oh no, I'm sus. Okay, I need to make it so that these can open quicker again. Okay, I see why this is happening. It's because it's waiting for the elevator to like stand still. So what if we have an additional condition of the elevator being far enough away? Like 1,000 coordinates. Let's try that. I want it to be easy enough to get the coin without having to debug and all that. Damn, Sonic, you missed my future prediction. You would have liked that. That it is cheaper to live in Tokyo than it is to live in a home city. Time to move to Japan. Damn, that's crazy. But don't you live in like a 4 square meter apartment if you do that? Let me in! That took way too long. Oh, I know why. I should have compared to this. ADHD medication is illegal in Japan. That is crazy. But I would also be jailed if I went to Japan for ROM hacking. The frame timer on the fire objects? What do you mean the frame timer on the fire objects? Do you think they're in sync? I can't look at both at the same time. Are they in sync? How do I cross-eye? I can't cross-eye. I don't think they're in sync. Hey, it worked! Who is it?
It's my father.
Okay, this might be important. Pick up. It was her dad. It's cause we wanna buy a house, maybe, and he wants to help us, cause that way we can save around $20,000 in taxes, which would be very nice.
Kids could have a very
And I actually can't get a loan right now because my income's too low, but we can afford the house. You just can't get the loan.
Of course I'm not fatherless. I mean, hey, if we do get that house, Case could have a very fun new setup.
Oh yeah, dude, I will have a bunker. I will be streaming from a bunker. It will be very fun.
Hang on, let me just send you the picture of the basement.
Alright, so
really cool.
Bowser is, or the elevator is finished. Income too low in your case? Yeah! I can't get a fucking loan for a house.
Here, I sent you a picture of the basement.
Even though the mortgage is like about as much as rent. Yeah, this is what it's looking like. This is where I'm gonna streaming from. Let's fucking go.
It's kind of a fun house, though.
No, I'm not considered a senior programmer, because I basically just started working professionally like a year ago. Or I don't know what you need to do to be considered a senior programmer, like... It's messed up.
Bowser minion living conditions.
I mean, I also work in the game industry where you make less money than anywhere else. Programming wise. But if you can afford it, why need a loan? I can afford the loan payments and like pretty easily, but yeah.
Cage just aged by 10 years and become a senior.
I don't know. What even is senior supposed to mean?
I think it's just a word that they use for someone who's been in the industry for a long time. Is that Bowser's the chair we're using?
Yes.
Okay, I thought it was going to be just a regular office chair, but that works perfectly. Because that chair is in the Blender scene itself.
Yeah. Corporate world is crazy. Would you like a job at Big Corpo? If they paid me enough money, I would work there for like 2 years and then retire and never come back. Is that you last coded Java in 07 and you code on Git drivers? Well, I started programming in like TI Basic in 2007 or so.
Is that chair like up against the wall?
Hmm?
His chair, is it up against the wall?
Yes.
Okay, good.
That sounds fun, better. I was actually thinking a game similar to what you're saying, but instead of controlling them, you program them. So there's like 2 people and they go on rounds and they get to program their minions with like a certain amount of code lines on each minion. And then they fight. And if you make a bug in your code, your minion's just useless. It's like competitive programming. How cool would that be? There is a game like that already? Rabbit's coding. Let's see. What? How do you play this? I want to see gameplay. Oh, that's not what I was thinking. That is like so basic. I guess they made this very accessible. No, this is for like 5-year-olds to learn programming. That's not what. No. It needs to be way more hardcore. I want you to just to be there like sweating, going on your keyboard. I want. Let's just open a paste bin. I want you to just like have like. Maybe with like a bunch of macros. I can't even program fast enough for that. You can already do this, it's called coding a game. Yeah, but imagine that as in a 1v1 environment. Muscles are coding. It depends on your living situation, I think. Oh, to my life. Shit. Probably coding, because that's what makes my money. Just use O2. True. O2 is the solution. 1230. Actually, the hitbox should be bigger. It should be like when you are entering this area here. Oh, 5, man, this guy is free optimization flex ahead. If enemy is alive, kill. Well, you will only be able to program your own guys and only access your own class variables. Influx plus access plus lighting plus fog. I think Death Wizard did that. Case private variables? No, it will just be server authority. There won't be private variables, it will be server authority. The make game good button. Isn't that already almost real with like AI enhancing all video games? Have you guys seen that? The AAA slider. Let me find this. Here. Look at this. That is pretty crazy, isn't it? I have no idea what that was, Ion. What's the latency penalty? Probably pretty awful. Alright, now we should have a dialog box pop up as soon as we enter the level, and it should make the camera pan to the Bowser seat. That will be empty for now. The reaction button is still there. Other people are hitting it. For the office room window at the top, when you leave the elevator, the window looks like a mirror especially. What's wrong with it? Should it like be cleaner? Oh, because of the piranha plant. I think it's fine. Let me look at it again. The react button makes it very difficult for me to read the chat messages, which is a bit annoying. Let me actually also check out what's wrong with the talks box. Is the object home not being set correctly anymore? This looks right to me. Something weird is for sure happening with object homes, I'm thinking. Suppose a junior canon in your game? Yes.
I'm gonna put a little picture of Bowser and Bowser Jr. in his office.
Okay. Well, Bowser Jr. in this game is just Bowser when he was young.
Aww.
Okay, I don't think that looks like a reflection. Because the animation phase is different. Also, this one attacks you. I gotta put a door there that can't open. Alright, let's put a door here. Ray tracing does not exist on N64 now. When Bowser sees Mario like this, Bowser will be too absorbed in his own thoughts. I still want to know what's wrong with the Y position here.
I think you should add a little computer screen to Bowser's desk.
Okay, that
So
can
just
work.
has something to look at.
thought of creating a new head-wearing guy from scratch? Well, it's just been... no. I think we have enough head-wearing bros. Let me see where these tox boxes actually moving along. It's not even that they move around 0, is it? 0 is so high up in this level. What are the tox boxes doing? Collision map? The main level already has a collision map, yeah. It's performance on N64 now. The worst part is 25 FPS. So performance is pretty good. Yeah, what the fuck? Are they falling down? They're going further and further down. Every step they take, they go slightly down. Graph Y offset. No. 6, 7, 8, 9. That should be fine. Every step it is. Every step that I take is another mistake to you. Is this maybe weird? What if it's the add float one? No, that can't be. What's the point of the tangible dist variable? Useless. Case. Hello, Arthur. Okay, now the actual Y position is moving down. What if we just print their O home Y? Is this one changing? What do I think about Python? I think snakes are kind of cool. I wouldn't want one as a pet though. They don't really seem like good pets. Can I still interact with them? I'm not having a good time, by the way. If anyone's asking. Comedy is back on the menu, boys. Guess you should fix this, you sure?
Yeah, I sent you Woodwick too.
Woodwick?
Woodwick.
Woodwick. Alright, I'll import him in a bit. I want to fix this bug first. Have I seen the e-girl drama? E-girl drama? Oh? What's going on? Which e-girls are involved? Favorite 3D Mario? I think 64. I don't know. It's just the vibe I'm getting from the stream. We spat out on Orphan, that's the ego drama. Were they into it? You see ego as offenses now, they want to call it eye ladies. Eye ladies nuts across your face? What, you think I was born yesterday?
That was a pretty good one.
Let me debug print a few more variables here. Are you able to track how many units it keeps decrementing by? Theoretically, yes. It's weird how it just falls. Wait a second. What if... I don't know why the bug just now started appearing, but that was weird. Do we use this field anywhere else? 0x12, 0x12. Interesting. Okay, so what I think was happening, my theory right now, I don't know if this is true, is that the gravity kept decreasing its y velocity, and eventually its velocity was so small that it just fell through the floor. I don't know when I added the gravity. Oh, I know when I added the gravity. For the big protest. I can't find the first time right now. It's not in the game yet. Hardware modding consoles to make them more beefy is done, but it's very uninteresting because it's trivial. Like it's already been figured out. It's just a lot of manual labor. Should probably just go. No, I think they're friends. Oh my god, have you seen that movement? What are 5 circles that appear in top right corner? They are Yoshi coins. You can find 5 Yoshi coins per level in this game, and they replace the 100 coin stars. Fucked up Yoshi moment of the week. Matt appears in Super Mario Kart only in chapter 11 of Volume 12, where she is stated to be the water fairy of peaceful woods, corrupted by Wario polluting the river. However, Matt is seen once in her mermaid form as a real form, seems to be the water itself. How is this a Yoshi? Until Yoshi drinks her up and urinates her out. Now free from Wario's evil toxin, Matt is returned to a pure state and anthropomorphic fish in a dress. Okay, so Yoshi canonically pisses. Okay, so we got that done. Next, I need the first star. And to get the first star, we need to program the Wiggler. So let's import Xena's new Wiggler. It is finally time.
It's Wiggler time?
It's Wiggler Wednesday.
Did you check the animations?
I am working on it.
Very nice.
Misclick. Will he be racist this time? I hope not, dude.
I think he still has the angry face on him. I might make a really angry face for him.
I mean, it's kind of nice.
I figured the idol and Talk to Mario can just be the same one.
Did you make this angry model? Angry face?
Yes, I made this angry face.
Yeah. I find that, you know, this is a bit weird.
His blurry lines.
Yeah.
Maybe I can.
Yeah, this one is a lot less, it's more aliased.
Ah, I see.
Or anti-aliased. Alright, let's see the animations. That's his normal pose?
Yeah.
Okay. This is base pose. This one doesn't.
That's only used as like
This is Engie.
Engie 1.
Okay, so this is where he's like in the cutscene and you see him and he's angry that something bad happened, right?
Yeah.
Then this is in T pose, we don't need it. So this is when he gets more upset. Oh, that's good.
He's very happy about being angry.
This is when he talks to Mario about who's still working. And this is when he's like so angry he storms off.
Yeah, you can make it a little faster.
Alright, that looks pretty good.
It's not perfect, but this is also really hard to work with, so I think
Yeah, I mean it's good.
it's good.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna be the best animator on this project. Actually, I'm the only animator on the project now.
Yeah. He looks like he's jamming to Eminem in a public library. Who's the real Slim Shady now, bitch?
I think the thing that frustrated me more about that is he didn't skip the ad. He just watched through the entire ad.
Imagine being so done with the life that you watch the ad.
It's like there's a skip button. You can also just quickly install an ad blocker on the library's computers. Just do it.
NPC behavior, true.
It is complete NPC behavior.
This song. Anyway, as I stuck at 90 kilos, I think I need to be 85. You're 184. If you're 184 and you have a decent amount of muscle, then like 90 is a pretty healthy weight. But if you want to lose 5 kilograms, maybe because you don't have as much muscle, just like drink enough water, drink low or eat low calorie dense foods like carrots or celery or chicken, and you're fine. Oh, some of this seems to have messed up. Shouldn't be hard to bring back. Wait, did you add any colors to this?
No, I don't think so.
Huh.
I just did. The only thing I added was just a face texture, and that's it.
Yeah, I'm just... something is not working right in game. Oh, I know why. It's because of Fast64.
What did I do? I don't know, Lila. I do not know. All I did was add a face texture to him.
No, it's a Fast64 bug.
Where's the fast bug emote when you need it?
RIP.
Can you only have 4 emotes right now?
I think so.
Oh, that's kind of sad.
No, his face is still way too dark for some reason. It works everywhere except in his face. This should do it. Is the day and I turn on Prim? No, it uses Env. We just need to change the bone order here. Because there's no way to put a GOASM before the first spawn.
I didn't even know how to turn on the Prim Leader.
I hate all the Koopalings. They just shit up Mario Kart 8. It was so disappointing unlocking a new character and it was just a stupid Koopaling every time.
But I like the Koopalings.
Okay, but wouldn't you rather unlock someone you actually like other than the fucking Koopalings?
What is it? I like them.
What?
I think they're neat.
What? No way! Who did I marry? Guys! She must be like a human wearing a skin suit, like a lizard. How can you like the Koopalings?
I mean, I like Bowser Jr. a little more.
Bowser Jr. is fine.
But the Koopalings? You don't like them?
No.
Okay, well, I'll say this much. The Koopalings are far better than Pink Gold Peach.
Yes. Fair.
And Metal Mario.
Yeah, but why not, like, unlock characters you actually like? Why not, like, King Boo, or a Goomba, or, like, fucking a Paracooper?
Goombas can't drive, they don't have hands.
Okay, Mutant Piranha.
Yeah, I guess.
El Piantissimo from Mario Sunshine.
What?
El Piantissimo!
Il Piantissimo?
Egat. A Thwomp. A Womp.
Oh, what? Wait. Which one's which? I can never tell.
Is Iron NPC? No. The Queen from Mario. Yeah! Why fucking Koopalings?
Swamp. Swamp doesn't have hands or legs. How is he supposed to drive? Do they just like attach wheels to him and he just pushes it with force?
Yes.
Is that it?
If a Thwomp can drive, a Goomba sure can. Okay, fine, a Womp then. I just threw out a million suggestions that are better than Koopalings. Okay, we have a problem here, and that is his hitbox. His hitbox is weird. Mario 64 can only do cylinders. try to approximate this guy with a cylinder. We can do that. Honestly, that's not too bad. What if he's just 2 cylinders like this? Let's do it. This one can be a bit shorter. They could have had Pikachu, yeah! Fuck it, let's get Pikachu. Anything to avoid another Koopaling. Who wants to play as Wendy fucking Cooper? Just use dynamic collision. No. I want the Brodude boss fight Fire Spitter and Mario Kart 9. You know what? I take that over Koopaling. Where is this in world space? My cursor is at minus 350. Wait, I can use offset shot by float. But I shouldn't. Is God real in the RTYI lore? No. What star is this? This is where you mess with everyone. What is a divine dino then? It's... God has its reasons. He's mysterious, we can't understand him. Some random woman pregnant was kind of an L. Why? What's the L here? She didn't technically consent. Did she not? Damn. That is fucked up. Wait, I think she did. I think she canonically did. Hello, Carlos. What's happening in here? Hecken. Oh? I think an angel appeared to her and asked her if that was fine. And she said yes. Didn't mean to close that one, I still need it later. Tell me about the Jesus story, you don't remember that? Did you not read the Bible? Damn. Oh, I was loading the Koopa animations on it. Whoops. Okay, that hitbox is pretty fine to me. I kinda like it.
Pretty good.
Where do you interact to talk to him? Anywhere in the front. Let's find the text room. He should have multiple texts, actually. Oh my god, we have so much dialogue in this game. Right, God told her I will baby you and she said, I am God's servant, so whatever you say. Is that consent? Maybe it's a little ambiguous. New tech just dropped. Need some goggles, red guy? My face is this way. That'd be funny. So 3, 5, 4, 2, 6 are Koopas. 4 Koopa texts. And then a Goomba, and then 358 and 359 are Wiggler. Alright. Have a problem? What's the problem? The Wiggler should also be protesting. No, actually the Wiggler should just be gone.
Maybe you could use one of the stomping animations out of the at the protest.
If he's there. I'm not
if you want him there.
Marcus, $169, you double it. It's already more than double, and it's gonna be more than that. But yeah, this game has a lot more text than Mario 64. Well, it also has a lot more content and playtime, so it makes sense. Right? It's not that bad. Oh wait, this is a bit of a problem. They like your animation.
Thank you. You know what? Wiggler's animation was a lot harder than Bowser's walk cycle, but I did it faster than Bowser's walk cycle.
That's good.
I think that's a testament to something.
Yeah, means you're learning.
I think the worst part about doing Wiggler is that there's no good references to find for him. I found 2.
Yeah. Alright, let me think about this. What are the text wigglers are gonna say? So you have the glass guys, you have the cement guy, you have the Goomba on a lunch break, and you have the Thwomps lined up. And the wiggler should always mention one of the things that are still going on. So... wiggler... let's see... glass, wiggler cement, wiggler Goomba lunch break, wiggler Thwomps. Actually, the Goomba lunch break should be first. Wait, there's just 4 ways you mess with them? Yeah, right? Alright, so you should talk about, hey, we're getting a lot of work done. One of my guys is on a lunch break, please don't bother him. Something like that. If this is ASMR, then that's unintentional. But it's so warm here, I need to drink constantly.
It's not quite cooled off yet.
I woke up to piss like 3 times last night. It's so warm. I can't wait to just live in a basement. In my bunker.
Well, if we get the house.
Stop knocking on wood, that's cringe.
Make me! I thought you were the one who said you embrace cringe.
Yeah, but that's the wrong kind of cringe.
You said embrace cringe.
Not
you didn't
that
say
type.
what kind of cringe. It sounds like a you problem.
Cringe.
You're cringe.
Guys, is it cringe to believe in superstition? I think it is. You know what, he should pick a random one that is still available.
Yeah, Biobax always got good dialogue options.
One of my guys has been on lunch break for a while. Mind checking on him? These ribbons aren't gonna carry themselves. You know what? Yes.
A Goomba would just sit there and try not to get hurt. Maybe he's one of the diversity hires.
I mean, he doesn't have arms, so... And he's also the only Goomba, so him being a diversity hire makes sense. What the fuck is a rivet, by the way? I'm gonna Google rivet. This is like, what if this is a Ligma? Oh my god, he would have gotten me so hard. Ah. Yep, that works. He is floating. Yeah, I can just move him along. That reminds me. All of this stuff should be somewhere else. On level entered, yes. This is how we name shit at GFB. Like event dispatchers and just call it that way. This is what I'll do.
Google was hired to fill the diversity quota.
Well, that was the joke.
Yep. Perfect.
When is this function called? Level CMD free pool. Yeah, so that's perfect. Where's the J coming from? What the fuck? I am so confused by the existence of the J. So with quiz in development, there is no other quiz that took you longer, right? The quiz progress shows how much you improved in skill, however your ideas got. I think this one took so long because it's like the first job the first one I made while having a proper full-time job on the side. And I'm also making like so many videos right now. Did I already move him? Yes, I did. Full-time job on the side. Well, I guess that shows how I truly think. The shorts business?
I think he's talking about YouTube shorts.
Oh, the shorts business. I have enough YouTube shorts stashed up right now for the next year. And I have uploaded shorts for every week until the end of like January next year. And I'm just like uploading them once a week, and hopefully we're gonna get a bunch of views on them.
The Gooby Woobies one is my favorite. You're a Gooby Woobie.
Am I at least the top one Gooby Woobie?
Yes.
It does contain 64-bit floating math, but not on purpose. It's because when you use integers in floating point math, it like automatically converts to a double and from there converts to a single, which is really fucking stupid. And I'm trying to prevent that, but I don't always do that on accident. So I'm still gonna remove all the non-32-bit floating point math. Are the stats good? I feel like they edited like boomer Facebook videos. Okay, I will go over the shorts business with you right now. I pay $5 per short created. And as you can see, these are like uploaded for a long time. Let's just check out like this one here. We can check the analytics. I value one subscriber to be around 5 cents. So this one made back like $1.20 out of the $5 I paid, which is not that great. But my hope is that one of these shorts, can I like filter like that? That a few of these shorts just take off, like this one here. And then these make the money back, right? So this one's like $17 of value. I guess that one paid for 3 shorts. Yeah. Not all the... I guess on average the shots are not really worth it. This one basically barely paid for itself and it's like the second biggest one. So we're still working on it. We paid to edit them. And there's a guy that offered himself up. His name is Lackwood. Then the shots editing meta. Yeah. I guess they're still a relatively new video editor. But it is what it is. We make do with what we got. Alright, we need a variable for all the overseers. What am I doing right now? Programming. This man has combined Mario 64, Forza, and Nintendo tried to kill him for it, and that's why. Yep, that would be perfect. You need to find the angle, you know what I mean? Dude, it's actually so hard to find the angle. Like when I make my videos, I struggle with that. Let me just, how can I say it after date? Like, right here, I have to find an angle on how the fuck can I make a polynomial sound interesting. Well, the only Up64 already had like an interesting angle. The sine function, even here, I had to like set up like for 4 minutes about how sine is important. The physics one, I guess I didn't succeed at finding the angle. The problem with grass, that one did way too well. This one, maxing out the N64's potential, it's just a level preview, but that's like the angle. You'll edit my shots for $4.99. You actually wanna? Was the grass thumbnail inspired? The entire video was inspired by Thief. I watched one Thief video, I fucking hated it. And then I just made the video. Child labor is optimal, it's true. Yeah, exactly, Bioback. That is the issue. YouTube is just not profitable for me because my channel is not that big or interesting. Thief makes great videos. Cope. He never gets to the fucking point. I mean, I only watched like 2 videos of his. I watched one video because Bioback recommended it, and then I watched another video because I was told, no, Case, you're wrong. He's great. And no, he's not. He is the worst. Can you make videos, to be honest? You just need to make videos about stuff that sounds obvious to you than new technical stuff. Yeah, you're right. I 100% agree. I mean, that's what I plan to do for April Fools, I guess. I'll make another one of those grass videos. I actually have a content plan. A content plan right here. Alright, I'll tell you the content I'm gonna do. This one is gonna be really good. It's about, this is for the 30th of September, cryptic stars in Mario 64 and how they work. It's gonna be like about the eel, about the snowman, you know, all the stars that no one understands how they work. Then on the 21st of October, it's gonna be called Baking Shadows into N64 Games, which is gonna be the Dino Domain preview. Then on the 18th of November, I was thinking of optimizing the arctan function. That one's probably not gonna do well. On the 2nd of December, when writing bad code is actually good, where I like violate all the code conventions and show how that's actually gonna make the code run better. On the 9th of December, the N64 can be so atmospheric. It's gonna be the Course 2 preview. Again, the remake. Maybe on the 16th of December, how good is the inverse square root algorithm on the N64? It's dog shit, but people keep suggesting it. And then on the 23rd of December, a video maybe like It's Never Enough. I don't know if that's the angle I want to go with, which is going to be about the new optimizations and the Course 1 remake. That's my current content plan.
I'm back.
Welcome back. I don't think a gym video would do that well on its own, because while my physique is like super impressive compared to like normal people, if you actually go into like gym videos, you're gonna compete with people that just blast the shit out of steroids. You could make bank on a simple thing of explain how certain objects of the game work from a code standpoint. We need to find an interesting angle though, right? Like the infinite stairs, yes. The mirror, yes. You know, I'm noting that down. Shit, that's good content. Oh.
Bioback back again with all the great ideas.
Okay. How the mirror works. How the infinite stairs work. Maybe how the paintings work?
Yeah. I'd like to know how the paintings work.
Oh, another idea I have was like the most obscure bugs on Mario 64. Stuff like if you wait in the file set and the star select screen for 3 years, the screen locks up for 11 frames.
Wait, what? Specifically 3 years?
Yes.
That is extremely hyper-specific, but okay.
The one-up Super Mario's most broken, but it's not Mario 64's most broken object. How would I convey that? Explain why. Integer, overflow, underflow. Right, that was the guy that was making videos like that about Paper Mario, and he got fucking famous. That's it, guys. Store slot. You know what? I wanna be stored on a 32-bit integer. I'm fine with that. Can you explain the glitch that can freeze the game on the file select screen? Name it why you can crash Super Mario 64 in less than 3 seconds. Yeah. That's a good one too. Hello, Mario Nova.
Hi, Nova. Hi, Seraphon.
That could work well as shorts. Nah, fuck shorts. Shorts don't make any money. Leila, short content is not good. You have to be very verbose. And unnecessarily so. The people, they don't want a video that's concise and to the point. They want background noise. You have to do something. You have to make a video that you can watch while you do something, because that's what people are gonna watch. They wanna have the idea of I'm working with a thing in the background, but really they are just using that to procrastinate. You are the procrastination. That's the role you have to fill. That's the meta. What if I started making my YouTube intros like Mr. Beast? How does it go? I verbed in adjective subject. I investigated the most... No, wait, it needs to be a number. The 3 most broken objects in Mario 64. That would be like a good line. And then I shouted. Oh, that's perfect. I analyzed. Oh my. I'm gonna be YouTube Mr. Beast, but for Mario. I verbed an adjective subject last night and she liked it. True. Just hopefully you can
the 10-minute apology.
But what would I apologize for? Oops. Called me stupid once, I think. But I'm not like apologetic for that. I will do it again. What? Just because I'm calling you stupid, I'm homophobic? Yes. Oh, well, understandable. Ha. Okay, he should give me a bunch of text. Most of them should just say free text. No, they will be per guy later, Lila, don't worry. Or actually, maybe they will be over. I don't know, I have to actually look at the code to decide that properly. Multiplayer is kind of a secondary priority. Free text, good. Lum? Umlaut. What was that? Meow Meow Wow just subscribed. Wow. Okay. It's starting to make me think that the code doesn't work. Okay, I think I'm certain now that the code doesn't work. What do you want the Wiggler to face you? It does look weird, but... I guess we could just make him not rotate to you.
Bowser.
You have all of them done?
I have a stomping tantrum, I have him sitting on a chair.
But he's sitting there, he can't be stomping his chair.
Wait, well, that's a different one.
Okay.
That's a different one. So this is his sitting one, where he's just at his desk, kind of...
Yeah, okay, that looks good.
He's just kind of thinking to himself.
He should be there like, oh my god, fuck, 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 fuck.
I mean, I have that in the pouty boy animation, where he's just standing and pouting.
Well, he's sitting though.
Yeah.
He's gonna be sitting and pouting.
Yeah.
This is like a completely new Bowser. We only have like new animations here. Okay. Well, this would certainly throw a wrench into my plans. Pure luck that that worked at all. Who thinks I should be allowed to use variables that are not in scope? Me. Okay. Okay. Free text deny us when Wiggler shows up. Alright, time to make the other texts. Wiggler cement. So I guess he should be annoyed with his workers. The cement guy's been watching his cement the whole day. Someone should kick his butt. Something like that. No, Lila, no. We're paying that Koopa to watch cement or I'll die. See, I think someone's gonna run in there and ruin it.
Imagine getting paid to watch cement dry.
the glass. I think he should be talking about how they keep dropping it or something. How they're so incompetent. How Green Koopas just... Maybe how Green Koopas just walk back and forth all day. Because that's what they do in the game, right? Isn't that the difference? Green versus red Koopa. Walk off platforms, whereas the red Koopas do not walk off them. Oh shit. Okay, never mind, we can't put that joke in there. Racist weakness real, true. Oh my god, Diddy Kong Racing is such a banger. Shit. You should call them doofuses, I think that's funny. You have a green Koopa sticker in the glass panes, they keep walking off edges, or on your left side glass pane and the fourth set of Koopas. Yeah, that's really good.
That is very good. So every time something goes wrong, does this dialogue change?
He has all these dialogues from the beginning, but whenever you like destroy something, the dialogue is no longer available.
Yeah,
So it gives you a hint as to what to do next.
I see.
Man, he's just shit talking all his co-workers.
You know what? That actually sounds like someone in a higher position. He's
Yeah.
a supervisor. He talks shit about all his coworkers.
My old manager used to call me slurs. I should have recorded it and fucking sued them. I think he could have made bank if it was a big company. Damn, that would have been like the jackpot.
I mean, I had my first job I ever worked. I had the owner of the restaurant say to a customer he hates black people, but he didn't use the term black people.
Oh. Well, the one you work on right now has a guy put poop on the plate, so that's not any better.
You know, if that gets out to the health and safety board, that could get the restaurant shut down.
They don't know it's a wooden monkey.
Just. Oh no. No. Thanks, Kays.
Oh, that might not have been like recognized as a slur. Because it's like... I mean, unless you actually have some sort of disability, I don't think that would count as like a discrimination lawsuit.
I mean, the R word is kind of far more frowned upon now than it was 10 years ago. Like, a lot of people would call it a slur.
Yeah, I think it's weird. Especially when you don't say it to someone who actually has a disability. If you just say it to someone who doesn't have a disability, I find it weird to consider it a slur. Because you wouldn't call someone who isn't the thing the slur. Like, it's not used as a slur.
Yeah, it might be a case-by-case thing.
Yeah. Okay, wiggle worms. No, I can tell. See, no reason to work there anymore. Still, it's harassment at work. Yeah. But I don't think it's lawsuit worthy. Like, I don't think you have that. I think the best you can do is quit. Right, because discrimination is like an actual thing employers are not allowed to do. But harassment? If it's not based on any inherent characteristic on you, I think that's allowed. In a way. If it's not sexual. Yeah, either way. What's the angle here? The moms are working, they're eager to becoming part of the building. They're stacking up. Maybe these are like the only people he likes. I don't like that. I don't think you should enjoy anyone's work. Lawyer man has arrived. I make very clear that I don't know what I'm talking about. I think we're fine. I was waiting in a line, safety inspector aren't even around. They should all jump in at once. Isn't he this? I don't know. I don't know if that would work. But the why are the bombs waiting in line angle? I like that. We just need a different justification for him to say that. The wumps are falling over each other, trying to be the first at the building. They're overexcitable, something like that. Turn to the person building. They're just slowing each other down. I don't know, I'm not 100% content with this text either. See, I'm slacking from here. Someone really needs to give them a push or they're gonna be at it all week. Yeah, I like that. It's a nice hint too, which I want. I think having more hints for how to do the missions is always good, especially because it's so voluntary to talk to the guy. Alright, let's see. I guess it's been on a lunch break for a while, okay. No, don't tell me you just talk about the lunch break. No way. You don't just talk about the lunch break. Oh, okay, we just got really unlucky. See, I was thinking... Ah! Oh, we need to get it. Oh, they're gonna... Okay. Dude, how much do you like this guy's lunch break? Should have hired green... Oh, shit. It's way too short. Carry the glass panes to keep waking. Yeah, benches. We're already on the 3rd glass panes and 4 sets of Koopas. Just one text is missing. The cement guy. Can't we believe we pay that one guy to watch cement dry? Alright, let me just make sure it works if you do all the missions. you do all the missions, he should no longer be talkable. Dude, this is gonna be such a fun mission to speedrun, holy shit. Alright, he is no longer talkable. Perfect. Why did it do the text for the first mission so many times? Why is it easier to invent a thing where you can navigate through all the text boxes in the game? You're gonna need that for localization. It's gonna be no problem. I can just make it so you scroll with the D-pad and then the Alt button makes it pop up. I think we're done for today. I think I'm probably gonna program the Wiggler over the week. Maybe today, tomorrow. And then next time we are finally ready to make the boss fight, I think. And jumps into the water after he spots. He's just gonna storm up. We're not gonna make him commit seppuku. Either way, I will see you guys next week. Bye bye.
Bye bye.